I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 black search box issue within a few minutes. It's no more than a few steps. As you can see, I have that issue myself right here. Nothing comes up in the search. So the first thing you want to do is hit on your keyboard Windows and R. That'll allow you to have the run dialog come up. At this point, type in regedit. You want to hit yes here. Go ahead and paste this into the search right here. And then that should bring you to here. At this point, if you want to pause the video to type this in or get up to paste, you can do that. Here we're just changing two things, the Cortana consent and also a value called Bing Search Enabled. Bing Search Enabled is not here, so I'm going to add it by right clicking and going to new, going to dword 32-bit value, and I'm just going to type it in, Bing Search Enabled. Okay, so this value is supposed to be at 0, so we're going to leave it. As for Cortana consent, if yours is now on 0, change it to 0. Simply hit OK, close it, and restart. Alright, time to log in and confirm that the fix is working. Perfect. Yep, no more black search box. Thanks for watching, everyone.